Blaise Pascal, inventor of the first calculating machine. Blaise Pascal was born on June 19, 1623 in Clermont-Ferrand, France. He died at a relatively young age, at the age of 39. Precisely on August 19, 1662 in Paris, France. Blaise Pascal, the inventor of the world's first calculating machine, was known as an intelligent child since childhood. Pascal never received an official education, due to the poor economic condition of his family. Apart from being a famous mathematician, Blaise Pascal was also a French Christian physicist, writer, and philosopher. His interest in mathematics led him to discover a very important mathematical theory, namely the theory of probability. At a very young age, 12 years old, and with a strong interest in the branch of mathematics called geometry, Blaise Pascal succeeded in creating the world's first calculating machine. Blaise Pascal's calculator is useful for performing basic mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, and division. This first calculating machine is still very simple in terms of function, design, and capabilities compared to modern calculating machines. However, the world's first calculating machine created by Blaise Pascal was the forerunner of the development of the modern calculating machine or calculator today. Short biography of Blaise Pascal, inventor of computing machines. At first, the calculating machine created by Blaise Pascal was intended to help make his father's work easier. His father was a tax collector. Blaise Pascal was working at the time helping his father calculate tax receipts. The works that Blaise Pascal managed to produce increased when he was a teenager. At the age of 13 years, he discovered Pascal's triangle theory. Pascal's special triangle. Pascal's triangle theory talks about the pattern of numbers arranged to form a certain triangle. Pascal put forward the theory of special triangles when he was 16 years old. The essence of this theory states that the points of tangency on the sides of a hexagon lie at one point. Furthermore, this theory became one of the basic theories in the field of projective geometry. In addition, Blaise Pascal also succeeded in designing a hexagram building, discovering the working principle of the barometer, air pressure gauge. Find clockwork system. In fact, he is also actively involved in making the underground transportation system for the city of Paris, France. Blaise Pascal had very good relations and affinities with the French Empire. This makes it easier for him to establish cooperation in the construction of the Academy of Sciences. Blaise Pascal and his monumental works. From 1642 to 1644, Pascal tried to develop the calculating machine he invented. During that period, dozens of prototypes of famous calculating machines with mechanical calculators were successfully made. Exactly 10 years later, Blaise Pascal succeeded in perfecting his calculating machine, which was later named the Pascal calculator or Pascalines. Behind the splendor of his thoughts and works, Blaise Pascal had a bleak period in his life. The gloomy period lasted for 2 years. The incident stems from his bad habit of gambling and time to have fun. Throughout the bleak times, Pascal experienced poverty and became sickly. Gilberte Pascal, his sister, managed to resuscitate him and lead Blaise Pascal to normal again. Probability theory is Pascal with a colleague named Fermat. In its development, this theory was transformed into a basic science for calculating insurance risk and statistics. The void theory studied by Blaise Pascal at the age of 24. The way to learn is to make a glass tube filled with mercury. The glass tube containing the mercury is then placed in two different heights. The results obtained from this experiment are differences in height, differences in the mercury column. This proves that the air pressure in one place with another place has a different value. Blaise Pascal died on August 19, 1662 due to his health condition which continued to decline. However, there are various opinions regarding the cause of Blaise Pascal's death.